This episode is part of the node monitoring section of this whole series, and today we'll be talking about maintenance. Regular monitoring is an essential piece of what operating a node requires. Let's get started. Hello all, JT here. First, a quick tip. When you're away from home or not on your network, consider setting up VPN access to your home network. It allows secure remote access to your node. While we won't demonstrate it here, you can find details within the Rocket Pool documentation. For now, let's talk about upgrades. Why mess with upgrades if everything is working? Well, it's all about staying current. Regular updates ensure optimal performance and security. Now, let's dive into the technical part of upgrading. Rebooting the node and Rocket Pool services will incur some downtime. Proper maintenance is always worth more than missed staking revenue. It's always worth keeping up to date. We enabled automatic updates for security concerns earlier, but you should occasionally do full system updates for improved performance and bug fixes. Begin by updating your operating system, running sudo apt update to refresh the package lists. Next, we'll perform a sudo apt dist or dist upgrade. Unlike a simple apt upgrade, this command handles dependency changes intelligently within these updates. Simply put, it's the smart way to keep your system in top shape. Type Y for yes and hit enter. Remove outdated packages with sudo apt auto remove. This helps keep your system lean and efficient. Type Y for yes and hit enter. Now, let's reboot and start fresh by typing sudo reboot for a clean restart. Now go ahead and log back into the node after a few minutes. At this point, we've only updated the package manager for the operating system. This is the environment our node operates in. Now it's time to do upgrades to the node software package itself. First things first, let's check our current Rocket Pool Smart Node version. Type Rocket Pool Service version. Our Rocket Pool version shows 1.10.2. We can also see our versioning for both the execution and consensus clients as well. Stay informed. Monitor the Rocket Pool Discord releases channel. Remember, being up to date is crucial. It is recommended to set your notifications and Discord settings for this particular channel so you can be best informed on the latest software releases for your node. With this information in hand, it's time to stop our Rocket Pool software before moving to the next step. Type Rocket Pool Service Stop. Type Y for yes and hit enter. Now let's grab the latest Smart Node software. Copy-paste the latest URL from GitHub in the releases channel on Discord or directly from the Rocket Pool documentation. With the download complete, install the new version by entering the command Rocket Pool Service install -d. As you can see, we are updating from 1.10.2 to 1.11.0. Type Y for yes and hit enter. Here, you can see release notes and other information. Take some time to review these notes. If you would like to review the configuration to see if there are any new features, you can do so by entering Rocket Pool Service config. For now, there is nothing more to cover in the configuration window, and we've not made any changes. So let's exit back out to the terminal window to continue. It's time to restart the Rocket Pool service, and we could do this by entering Rocket Pool Service Start and press enter. Type Y for yes and proceed. Now we see the service starting up, and after a few moments or minutes, our node is back online and staking. Trust but verify. Let's check our versions again by typing Rocket Pool Service version. As we can see, our Rocket Pool client and service version are 1.1. Besu has upgraded from 23.7.1 to 23.10.0, and Lodestar upgraded from 1.10.0. Just to clarify, we didn't have to do anything to upgrade these clients, in our case Besu and Lodestar. The Rocket Pool Smart Node upgrade package handles updating those for us. How convenient. It should be noted, these can be updated manually, independently, if you should choose to. Not only this, you can also change your execution client to help with the decentralization and the health of the Ethereum network, should you want to move to a minority client. Either way, consult the Rocket Pool website on those steps, should you choose to upgrade before a new Smart Node software package is available. And with that, your node is clean and upgraded and ready to go. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.